So good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to discuss Indian accounting standards from H.S.1st year syllabus, unit number 2, that is theory base of accounting. Okay, so what is the concept of Indian accounting standard? You know what is accounting standard? Accounting standards are nothing but a set of rules or guidelines which are followed by accountants, to record financial transactions, or in the preparation of financial reports. Okay. Now, Indian accounting standards, what is the concept? You just see here I have written 6 points regarding Indian accounting standards. You see, Indian accounting standards are set of guidelines that are adopted by Indian companies. Okay, so Indian accounting standards are what? These are guidelines, these are rules, these are regulations which are followed by the accountants of India, to prepare financial reports. Okay, the first point, it is used by Indian companies. Okay, Indian accounting standards are set of guidelines that are adopted by Indian companies. Okay, now the second point is these standards are issued by the Accounting Standards Board, ASB. Okay, so who has issued these standards? ASB, Accounting Standards Board. Okay, now in the last point I have written the ASB committee is formed by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Okay, you see the last point. So this ASB, which has issued the accounting standards, these accounting standards are issued by ASB. Now who has set up the ASB committee? ASB committee is formed by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Okay, the chartered accountants have formulated this has formed this committee, that is ASB committee, in order to issue the accounting standards, in order to issue the accounting standards. Now you see what is the main objective. The main objective is to adapt to IFRS. What is IFRS? International Financial Reporting Standards, to bring India's financial reporting system competent with international standards. Okay, now IFRS is International Financial Reporting Standards. So by following IFRS, that is International Financial Reporting Standards, financial reports are prepared globally. Okay, so Indian accounting standards should be set up in such a way so that it becomes so that the financial reports becomes competent with that of the reports followed or prepared globally by following IFRS, that is International Financial Reporting Standards. This is the main objective of this one, Indian accounting standards. Then what is the fourth point? There are 41 Indian accounting standards. The total number of Indian accounting standards is 41. These 41 standards are followed by the accountants to prepare the financial reports. You can check out the accounting standards in your book. Nicely given one by one. Then you see IAS, that is Indian Accounting Standards, promotes transparency and comparability in financial reporting and makes the report competent with that of the report prepared globally. So by following the Indian accounting standards, when the accountants prepare the financial reports, these reports become transparent. Transparent means one can see through the reports very easily. If there is any mistake, they can take it out from the report. And comparability also. Okay, one can compare these reports with that of the other reports. Okay, so it makes the report competent with that of the report prepared globally, okay, by following the IFRS standards. Okay, so these are the six standards which are these are the 6 points, okay, which are adopted, okay, or which you can consider, okay, while understanding the meaning of, or the this one concept of Indian accounting standards. Okay, hope you have understood. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel for further and latest videos. Thank you for today.